How to play Subway Surfers multiplayer. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for Subway Surfers. Now if there is an update for the app, just go ahead and update it. If not, just tap on the play button. You'll be redirected to your Subway Surfers game. Wait until it loads up. Now firstly, you need to tap on the setting gear option, then connect to your Facebook. This is the only way to connect your Facebook friends with your Subway account. Once you do this, you'll be able to track your scoreboard along with your friends. You'll be able to be the top one in the leadership board along with your friends. Unfortunately for now, Subway Surfers does not offer a true multiplayer mode, as the game is designed for single-player competition against the clock achieving high scores. However, there are a couple of alternatives that you may be interested in. First is the leadership competition that I mentioned earlier. The second is online versions. There are some of the websites that offer browser-based version of Subway Surfers or similar endless running games. This might have limited functionality compared to the official app, but they could allow you to virtually compete with friends by seeing who gets the highest score. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.